Hey guys, this is the SQ Mini DV Camera review. Some people call this a spy camera. You can get on Amazon, so it's pretty simple. But there is no interface on this camera. As you can see, there's a lens in front of the camera, some infrared lights, and on this side you find the slot to insert the SD card. So it's a microSD card that starts recording there, and also a connector to the cable. So basically it comes with some accessories, the cable for example, this one here, that you can just connect to the camera to charge. It's a USB-A cable, so you can use any regular charger. And also comes with a mount, so you can mount somewhere. And a small clipper, okay, so you can just mount this to the camera and clip somewhere, so it works pretty fine, okay. Here on the top you see a power button and an M button that you can select some features of the camera, and also an LED. So it's pretty simple. You just press here and start the camera. You see the LED is there. It finds the card, so there's an indication here. You just follow the user manual and you see the LED here, what it means, all right? But basically it knows that the camera, the SD card is here, so it's going to work. Let's say you wanted to record, for example, just turn on the camera, and when the camera is on, you press once here, it starts recording, and it turns off the LED, so people don't see that the camera is recording because the LED stays off like this, but it's still recording, right? Then you press again, it stops recording, and you can also press here to select motion detection, for example, and you can also change the resolution from 720p to 1080p, so high resolution with the camera. And at nighttime, you can see the LED here goes on and you see on the dark, okay? To view the video from this camera, you just need to remove the SD card, and then you can use an SD card adapter, connect to your computer, and there you can watch the video using any regular player because it records on AVI file. You can use a Mac computer, a Windows computer to play it back, and it works pretty fine. And there's a timestamp on the video. So basically there's date and time. So everything that's recorded, you have the date and time there. And to set up date and time, you need to open the file that's here on a computer and change a file and insert their date, time, and the parameter there for yes, which means the camera is going to have the timestamp there, okay? So pretty easy to use. It comes with the user manual here with all the information that you need, okay? With the instructions and the LEDs, what they mean, and basically works like this, okay? You can't have your camera connected to a clipper like this one, just put it here. So you see the way I usually use is like this with this clipper. So I come here and I put that away, okay? There we go. Then you can just clip somewhere and have the camera recording. Usually I put this on a vase or on a box, for example, so I can have this on my living room or outside. I was just testing to see the way it works, and it works pretty fine. That's the easiest way to use. And the image is pretty good. Okay, the 720p and also the 1080p, it's pretty good. I think it's enough. It's for a spy camera on this size, of course. You see here, compared to my hand, it's very, very small and easy to operate. Just pressing buttons to start recording or pressing motion detection here, the camera does its job pretty fine, all right? So guys, it's pretty easy to use. I was saying, I recommend this one, okay? If you want to record something and you want something that's easy and inexpensive, right? So you can get this on Amazon. I highly recommend it. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.